Amsterdam city, old city. Start from here, from the railway station. Here, this is the city and the boats and the canal. You see the old buildings. Whereas you have to get out from those buildings to the canal. There is a door for the canals, like in Venice. So you can see the canal both sides from here beautifully. Hotel neutral. Part is closed, getting covered from the trees. These are for boating tours. And there's a one boat goes with the people. Pancakes Amsterdam says. Quadrupole, Jesus loves you. There's another building here. So you can see the station also from this side beautifully. It's a massive station, Amsterdam Central station. Boats are getting started to take the tourists. So we'll be going in the street now towards the town. So this is the center of Central Station, Amsterdam. Today is a very good sunny day. A lot of people are without jackets and all. We came with jacket. Now what to do? We have to carry it. Okay.